know,
Nicki or Cardi?
what's your favorite cereal?
Nicki or Cardi?
I'm saying nigga or Cardi, like,
Nicki or Cardi B?
I really can't afford a Cartier.
I feel you. I just love to hear you say it, though.
Yeah.
Who?
Who what? Both of them? Like,
Who do you prefer?
I feel like I just love
Don't
people.
do this, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this.
Who would I go to church with? Both of them.
I ain't letting this slide. We gonna sit on this one all day. Or until you just say in the camera. Like, cut this shit off.
Both of them got nice songs.
You can't have best of both worlds.
Oh. Well, you be a young boy. I just listen to him.
So now I'm a bitch.
Oh, shit.
I'm a female.
No,
I'm just saying, like,
no, we talking about music.
That ain't neither one of they titles, you know?
We talking
I'm
about
just
music.
saying, so you really gonna throw me in there like that?
We're talking about music.
But we talking about two specific persons. We talking about them.
We never said anything about genders.
But you know what gender King
Correct.
Cardi is.
But we wasn't going that deep. Now you going that deep.
So we there now.
Yeah.
Pull us up out the hole. Come on.
Who I got more in my phone? Let's say that question.
No. Yeah, that's cool. No.
What?
That's getting way too easy.
How's it? Wait, who got more in my phone?
We'll be back.